So this application, it's running in the browser right now. I'm just going to pull up one of these videos. It's a jigsaw puzzle application. And the application is called Puzzle Touch. However, it's completely mouse usable. So if you were to publish an application like this, the changes in the UI for them to move it from a touch version to from a mouse version to a touch version, it's actually, there's really nothing that's being done differently, aside from handling touch-specific events for things like panning and zooming, where you may not do that with the mouse. So let me just go into these puzzles here. So what this app is doing is they've taken a full motion video, they've sliced it into puzzle pieces, and then you can casual game where you can actually just put the puzzle together based on the video pieces. But if we look at the experience, all the actions of kind of moving and navigating with the pieces, this is all translated as normal mouse movements.
Can you turn it a bit? We can't.
Sure, sorry about that.
Okay, now it's good.
I was trying to see.
So, the question is on a touchscreen. Windows 7 touch is not sensitive or responsive as the iOS. Unit Microsoft is doing something to do that.
So
this is very Windows 7 is the 7.
Well, what do you mean when you say it's not as sensitive? Because there's a lot of things that play into it. Like most tablets previously were, there's different tablet screen technologies like resistive touch versus capacitive touch. The event reporting, I don't know if any of you have seen these applications before. Microsoft, when they came out with the Surface, they worked with a bunch of design firms to come up with a suite of applications. So this is actually from that application suite. And this is it's a 3D globe that's leveraging big maps. So, very similar to Google Earth, where you can actually kind of navigate around the map. They've implemented, full multi-touch functionality, so you can see, as you pan and zoom and spin the globe.
You changed it a bit. Your viewing angle of the display is not very good.
There you go.
Sorry.
Would that be better
Bit glossy.
photo sessions afterwards? More efficient.
Yeah.
So this is an application where using the mouse, it's not as special of an experience. The zooming and you don't have the pinch zoom, you don't have any of the rotation or any of the the physics that's been built in here. You can do these sorts of things with the mouse, but the level of whimsy that you get out of something like that is just not there. So this would be more along the lines of creating a full-blown touch-only experience, where you would still be getting some value for mouse users or for traditional netbook users, but in reality you're trying to step the bar up in the hopes that your application really shines from a touch platform experience in something like that.
I want that to be all in one, including telephony.
Hands on, hands on. I think I got the first hands on.
So is there going to be a developer's version for this? Early adoption for developers and the special pricing. We'll develop a lot of stuff if you give us a No, I'm not. I'm serious.
We're working with Intel to see what the best strategy is to do things like that for developers. So we just haven't finalized it.
So it's got to be for Intel.
Yeah, because we're going to do things through the Intel App Store. It'll be in partnership with Dell. So.
Swivel demo.
Hey guys. Are you ready?
Work it, work it.
All right. Here we go. You ready?
So it rotates one direction and then back.
That's right.
So no roulette.
No roulette.
And capacitive multi-touch. Big guy.
Does it come with a cloth to clean the screen?
That's a problem with every touch device.